Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Claudia's, and today I'll be cooking up a storm. Today I'll be making some soup using cow skin, as you can see here, and also cow head, and I'll be doing it outside on a coal stove. Stay tuned. So I've gone ahead and washed and cut up my meat. To make it easier, try to always have a scissors in your kitchen, the one that you use to cut up your meats and your seasoning. It just it works miracles. So this is the pot that I'll be using, and the coal stove. Did it take long for you to catch this? No. Huh? No. Is there a technique as to when you're lighting a coal stove?
Yes.
What's the technique?
You have to tear up.
There's no technique, it's all lie.
Of course there's a technique.
What technique is there?
You have to tear up some cardboard first and put in there. And light the cardboard then. And then you get some twig and stick like this.
So isn't it easy to just use gasoline and just throw some gas on it and then just light it?
Yeah, I always gas fire have natural the accelerant.
Okay.
So when you throw them up on it now, then catch.
Can you speak English for my viewers?
No, because I'm a Jamaican.
Whatever.
So you throw this and you catch, you put the coal on top of it.
Alright. Let's see what's going on in the pot. So this is what is happening.
So it's like a couple of bubbles there.
Yeah. So we're cooking outdoor today. Some soup. As I said, it's cow skin and cow head. So while this is boiling, I will add green pepper and some pimento seeds to the pot. Also, I'm just going to go over to my garden and I'm going to pick a piece of scallion or escallion, and then I'm going to drop it in the pot also. So I'm just going to get a piece of scallion. My scallion, they're not so big. Just break a piece of this and a piece of this one. So this is fine. Just gonna break them apart and then just throw them in my pot. I think I'll pick a piece of rosemary also, which is this. Just break a little piece. Okay, so I'm just gonna wash this. Hard to be watching my vegetables now. Recording. I'm gonna have to turn off the camera and then wash them properly and then get back to it. So all I did was to just break them apart and then that's it. Just throw them in the pot. And then just gonna let this boil. I love cow skin so much. But you'd have to use a pressure cooker, or if you put it on your stove it would take so long to cook. So that's why I'm doing this today. Alright, let's just leave this, put back the cover on the pot and leave it to boil. I'll be adding some thyme, and also I'll be adding a cup of peanuts. Yep. The peanut is healthy, it's an excellent source of protein, and it's also high in various vitamins, minerals and plant compounds. It is also good for your skin, and it is very useful as a part of our weight loss diet, and it also may reduce your risk of both heart disease and gallstones. So the ground provisions that I'll be using today is the rainforest corn. I'll be using yellow yam, white yam, Irish potato, sweet potato, green bananas, chocho, pumpkin, carrot, and these okra are from my garden. So thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Tell your families, tell your friends, tell everybody to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. So I just added the food to my pot, and now I'm just gonna cover and let it cook. So guys, I went ahead and I added some chicken, well, preferably the back of the chicken back, whatever you call it.
Chicken back?
Yes, so no chicken back, they say, to the mix, you know, because I forget that Casey, she's not a beef person. Tip to get this rich yellow color or flavor looking, I blended the pumpkin. So now I'm going to add my cock soup mix. What is this? Pumpkin flavored soup mix, home style. And then I'm going to just mix this in. In true Jamaican style, I just added another Scotch bonnet pepper, and also now I'm going to add some Maggi all-purpose seasoning to the mix to give it some additional flavor, and a pinch of salt or salt to taste, depends. The Maggi seasoning already has salt in it already and a cock soup, so normally I don't put any salt in it, but depends on me. Hazley, stop the screaming! So this is what my pot looks like. That child just has screamed on the whole place. Playing with Hema. So guys, if you hear the screaming and the loud noise, that's Casey and Hema having fun. My God, you need to smell this. So anybody remember when they're growing up, they used to just open this and lick it out, or use a tongue and eat from this? Yep, leave a comment and let us know. So guys, again, I started off just cooking cow skin with cow head, and then I added some chicken in here, chicken pieces, chicken back, chicken, any part of the chicken there was. And I also added peanut to this. You need to taste this, it's very delicious. And now I am all done. Totally done. Look at this, and the rich texture is from the pumpkin. As I said, I blended the pumpkin, and this is what happened. So now to cool off, I'm going to drink a nice cold jelly coconut, which I got from the country, from my cousin Herbert. Big up yourself, cousin Herbert. Yes, you just chopped it. Yes, we know that. Alright guys, so thank you all for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. How your soup taste, Casey?
No.
It's nice?